Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics: game updated, inventory clear, and currency ready. Once done, open the Events tab and locate the Android fragment drops. You must collect the base Android or gather the 50+ fragments needed to craft it. Make sure to farm the specific zone that drops Android fragments. Use boosts, double XP, or VIP spawn to speed up farming. Also check the shop for temporary fragment bundles. Buying a small bundle can save long grind sessions. Once you have the Android base, head straight to the crafting machine and assemble it into Android Shadow. Next, you must evolve Shadow into the blue variant. This typically requires specific quests: race at target speed, defeat the designated boss, and use an evolution stone or token. Make sure to perform these tasks in the correct sequence, otherwise requirements reset. Teaming with others shortens boss times, and using speed boosts helps meet speed gates quickly, so you don't waste event time. Finally, claim your Android Shadow Blue from the rewards or inventory screen. It should appear as a new mount or character skin. If you don't see it, relog and clear cache. Sometimes the asset requires a fresh load to display. Make sure you completed every listed evolution step and that the event window did not expire mid-process. If fragments or currency vanished, take screenshots and contact support with timestamps. This provides proof and speeds resolution, so you recover lost items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.